Hi and smiles, everyone. Colleen here, and welcome. So today I have a Temu haul for you. And the disclaimer I always put at the beginning of these videos is that Temu is a marketplace, a worldwide marketplace. So the prices are going to vary from country to country. So I don't give out prices at all, but they are a very, very competitive marketplace. So, with that said, I am going to jump right into this. And the first thing I want to show you is some gifts, giving things. So, first of all, I got some pillows, 18 inches by 18 inches. So, decorative pillows. They're really, really nice. And I was surprised at the price of these because here in Canada you certainly don't get them for the price that I got these. And so I needed these for some gifts, which I'm going to show you right away. It does have a zipper, but it is polyfilled or whatever the inside, so I don't see the point for this zipper because I would probably put the whole thing through the washer if I ever did, but I don't think I ever would need to. Okay, and so I just showed you that one, but I got 2 sets of 4. So I got 8 of those pillows, and this is why I got these pillows, was for these pillow covers. Look at how beautiful this is. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. So this one, oh, it's showing up purple, the background, but it is actually black. It's interesting that that's the color that the camera's showing. But anyway, it's 2-sided, which is wonderful. And I got 2 of these for gifts. And they call it Chinese Christmas is what I think they call it. It's an exchange where you use numbers and you can steal from each other and stuff. And I have at least 2 of those in a year. So I always need 4 gifts, because one for my husband and one for myself to go in. And actually I need 5 because I belong to a local club here, and we always do one of those with our Christmas parties too. So this year I'm really in a theme of decorative pillows. So that's what I'm doing for a few of those gifts. And then for my own family, I found these, and it was just lovely. So don't look if you're watching, family. I got these ones so you can get them printed with their name. Aren't those beautiful? These ones just have a white back, but yeah, it came in sort of this rainbow. So I have a few girls in my family. So I do have another one of these. I just didn't bring it out. And then I have a couple of boys to think about. So I got just straight blue. But those are going to look so cute under the Christmas tree Christmas morning, I think. So I was really happy to get these. And yeah. So those are the pillow stuff that I got gift-wise. And then the rest, I believe, is craft related. I got this electric pencil sharpener. I had got the old crank kind. I had got a Dollarama, but I seen this and I thought, oh, this is kind of cool because it just sits on your desk like that, right? And the other one, it had a suction cup on the bottom that you cranked, but that suction cup did not work very well. This was at a great price, so I decided to get it. So I put some, oh, and it also comes with another blade. So a replacement blade you get with it too to exchange out. And oh, and you can lock it into place, and then you unlock it this way, and it has an on and off switch, so it's on. So I just got a pencil, and we're going to try this out together. I haven't tried it yet. Oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, I have to go a little bit more, but it's great because it is, you just push down on it and it sharpens it up. Or it should sharpen it up. Oh, it's turning on its own. This was a brand, oh, there we go. Look at that. So nice and sharp. A very sharp point. So that's going to come in very handy in the craft room for sure. I think that'll be staying on my desk. And then I got this little handle here. You may be wondering what it is. It has a suction cup. And what it is for is your cutting blocks here. And you just suction cup on like that. And so that you put that on there so you can put a lot of pressure, keep it in place as you cut your fabric, right? Because they can slip. Just the slightest slip can get you off on your cut. So this way you put all that pressure in the middle. This is not going to move as you use your rotary tool on it. So it works very well, and I love it. It's going to be great to have in my craft room, that's for sure. So I got that. And then cutting fabric again. This is a ruler that you have slots that are out, like cut out of it, so you can stick your rotary tool right in those slots, and then it will, you won't even need one of the, if you are doing, like this is more doing the squares, right? And of course you can use these to do your strips, absolutely. But this here is for the strips, right? And if you want them to be very precise, this is great for that. And you can cut several at a time. And especially if you're doing very thin, because in journals, I see myself wanting to have some thin strips, and this would work with paper too, right? And so they're absolutely, put the whole piece down and just go to town and do your different strips. So that's why I got that, to give that a shot. I'd never seen anything like that before. So I got that. I got some very interesting things this time, tool-wise. Got those tools. And I'll just show you this wool I got here. I had gotten some this color before, and I'm loving it. I hope the camera is picking it up. And it is definitely a DK. It's a 3. And it is dark navy, but it has brown in it. It's just beautiful. Like, I want to make a cardigan with this, a buttoned cardigan. I think it'll be buttoned, and because I think this will be great. You can wear it with denim, is what I was thinking, of jeans and stuff. It'll work perfect for that. It's very soft. It is 60% acrylic. Yeah, and 40% polyester. So it's not wool, but that's okay with me because I'm not seeking super warmth in this particular project. So, and it smells wonderful. I like to smell my wool, and it does feel quite nice for an acrylic wool. Okay, and then I have always wanted one of these. It's the whale tail punch, and I've had a heck of a time trying to find it, and so I didn't even think to look on Temu, and the other day. It just sort of popped up, and I thought, yes. And it was a very, very good price. So it just goes like that. We should try this out. Let me get a piece of paper. And I have, now, you should be able to just put this in, and don't put it right to the end, and then you should have a, no, I need to fold it. That's what I need to do. Geesh. Fold this paper. But anyways, and what I have found have always been very expensive, and this was very reasonable. So there we go. Oh yes, look at that. It works perfect. I do tags of all kinds and tabs, but I've always wanted one of these. So now I've got one. And then if you wanted to just make it one-sided, you just, it's interesting because this little bar stops you from putting it all the way under. Oh, no, you can't do it the other way. So this is only a two-sided. I was thinking I could slide it in under this bar, but I can't, and that's okay, because this is what I was looking for sure. So then you can lock it to store it. Has a little lock on the bottom here. Voila. So very, very happy to get that. And then I have one other thing. This was a bit of a smaller haul, but a great haul because, like I said, I got quite a few tools. I found this, and I was so happy to find it. So what this is for, do they have a proper name on here? No. Oh, you can smell this wood. But what this is for is you put it in here like that, I think is how it works. And then when you are doing your journals and you're punching your holes to do your journals, you just slide that in there, and then you take, I'll just use a piece of paper again, my old papers here. So pretend this is a signature or the cover, and then you just can stick it in here like that and punch your holes wherever you want them. There's all kinds of choices here, and I'm going to find this tool very handy, I think. And then you can have everything punched perfectly, clip them together, and away you go. I have quite a few templates that I had to make in the past for different sizes of journals and stuff. Oh, I'm not showing that perfectly. There we go. But this way, I can just choose here which one I want to punch, and I don't have to have a whole bunch of different templates because I've got all these holes here. So anyway, I was thrilled to see this, and it was very reasonable, again, price-wise. And like I said, I think I'm going to end up using it quite a bit. So it's a great tool when you are a journaler. So that is my haul for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow, and I just love having you guys here and having this little community. It just is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. So, and leave a comment down below. You have any questions or comments, share it with our little bit of a community here in comments below. I always love hearing from you. So I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day today, and a very crafty day, and we will see and talk to you soon. Bye for now.